Hey, how's it going, Manny? It's Devin again. Thanks so much for clicking on this video. I'm just going to briefly show you 3 things I found on your website to help you beat your main competitor out here, San Antonio Air Duct Clean. They're coming up #1 for air duct cleaning San Antonio. I know you're probably wondering why I'm even making this video for you. It's super simple. I found out there's a lot of business owners out there that are just so busy running their business, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And so I found that when I give these attack plans away for free, a lot of business owners take the stuff and do it themselves, and a lot of them also end up calling me back and having me do it for them. Whatever you want to do with this information is okay with me. I'm just trying to help as many business owners as I can. And I'm going to talk to you about 3 things: content, backlinks, and citations. Now, your design is beautiful. You keep the same colors, the white and the green. You have a click to call right here and another call to action right here and right here and right here. From a design point of view, you killed it with the website. What Google mostly cares about is this stuff right here, this content, and not stuff that's been duplicated, but just this fresh content here. Google wants to see a lot of it because in their eyes, that means someone's going to stay on your page longer. And so you want to see about 2,000 words of fresh content on your page. It looks like you currently have 448. And then let's take these down here. 448 plus these, 662. Now, comfort, San Antonio Air Duct Clean, Comfortable Air, right here, these guys. If we go and check, do they have any reviews? No, no Google ads. Okay. So they're at 869. So these guys, it's one of the reasons our ranking is they do have some more content than you, but the good news is they're not at 2,000 words. So by getting yourself to that 2,000 word mark, that's how you're going to blow them out of the water. One last quick tip. You do have air duct cleaning San Antonio right on your page and right at the front, so that's awesome to do that. You also want to make sure you save your images and stuff like that. So instead of green air care still open, this could be saved as air duct cleaning San Antonio. That'll help you rank. Same with oops, I saved that one. Same with this one right here. Oh, there you go. You did that right there. Awesome. So stuff like that. It's another thing you can do. Just adding more content, making sure you have keywords inside of that content. So that's my first tip. My second tip is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website on the internet is linking to you, driving traffic to you. This is really important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest. So they want to see a bunch of trustworthy websites vouching for your website. But they do want to see relevant links. So they're going to give you a lot more power if you have another HVAC company linking to you instead of like Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows that you're not a pizza company. So the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. And you don't have to use this tool. There are free tools out there. This is a paid one I use just because, I do a lot of these videos. But it says that you currently have 59 websites linking to you. And you actually built them recently. So it looks like that someone's doing SEO for you. But it looks like there's not very much power in those links whatsoever. And I can go check out the back end of them really quick. So you have a lot of blog spots. They're really good for building up, what topic your website is being caught for, but they're not doing much for your power. If you go over to San Antonio Air Duct Clean, these guys only have 5 websites compared to your 59. But look at their power. It's a lot higher. This little thing these 2 numbers, you want to get this ratio as close to 1-to-1. I don't want to get too into the weeds with it, but to give you layman's terms, this is what the power of your homepage is, and this is the power of your entire site. And you want to have these as close to 1-to-1, and you do that by getting higher quality links. So this is a really easy fix. I would go and the links that they have that are giving them power, like these ones and these ones right here, I would get those. Also, you see how this one says San Antonio in it? If you can get some websites that are relevant saying San Antonio and get those linking to you, that'll help you outrank them. But just by copying these links, if it works to rank them, it'll work to rank you too. So that would be my second tip. If you follow those 2 tips, that's how you become #1 across Google, #1 organically. The last thing you could do, you can pay for ads if you want. There's a whole process on that I can show you later if you ever wanted to know, or you maybe already know. But the last thing I'm going to show you is how to get right here in the Google My Business section, because this is free and it's also where the most traffic goes. You just need to have more citations than your competitors, and a citation is anywhere where your name, address, and phone number exactly written the same way is in different directories across the internet. A directory is just a website that allows you to list your business's information, like Yelp and Yellow Pages and stuff like that. So what I would do is I would figure out what directories America Air Duct Cleaning Services is in. I put myself in those same directories and add a bunch more on top. If they were in 150, I'd be in 300 directories. That's all I've got for you, Manny. I hope you found this informative. I tried to keep it short and to the point for you. As a quick recap, you want 2,000 words on this homepage, and I'd save your images as keywords. You want to also make sure that you're copying these links and making sure that you're getting relevant, powerful links, because if you're getting spammy links, Google will actually penalize you. And the last thing is you want to put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than America Air Duct cleaning services. If you follow those 3 tips, that's how you become #1 across all of Google. I recommend you start doing this as soon as possible just because it does take time to implement all this. And the sooner you start, the quicker you start getting results and making money off of it. If you do want any help getting it done, or you just don't have the time to do it and you want someone else to take care of it for you, give me a call. My phone number is right down here at the bottom right. I'll see if I can help you. And if I'm not able to, I'll at least point you in the right direction to help you get whatever you want done. But I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I look forward to hearing your feedback, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks. Bye.